Hello again, this is for SZA 20-something guitar tutorial. There are two chords for this song. First is the C major 7, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string. That's the C major 7. The second chord is an F major 7. I use 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then 1st fret, 2nd string. So again, two chords, C major 7, F major 7. And it's the same for the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. There's a D minor 7 on the second verse, but I will do that after. I'll show that after. Now, in terms of count, I use 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. C major 7, F major 7. C major 7, F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. How you ain't say I was moving forward honestly hurts when you're getting old. I'm gonna say I miss the way you need me, yeah. Why you ain't say I was getting bored? Why you ain't say I was falling short? How you leave me out so far away? How could it be 20-something all alone still? Not a thing in my name. Ain't got nothing, running from love, only from fear. That's me, Mr. 20-something. Ain't got nothing, running from love, wish you were here. Oh, stuck in them 20-something, stuck on them 20-something. Good luck on them 20-something, good luck on them 20-something. But God bless those 20-something. Hoping my 20-something won't end, hoping to keep the rest of my friends. Praying the 20-something don't kill me, kill me. Weird, took us so long to separate. I feel it's permanent like a riptide this time. Waves crashing fast, I try. Think of the past, please stay. How could it be 20-something all alone still? Not a thing in my name. Ain't got nothing, running from love, only from fear. That's me, Mr. 20-something. Ain't got nothing, running from love, wish you were here. Oh, stuck in them 20-something, stuck in them 20-something. Good luck on them 20-something, good luck on them 20-something. But God bless those 20-something. Hoping my 20-something won't end, hoping to keep the rest of my friends. Praying 20-something don't kill me, kill me. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now, as I said, in the second verse, it does use the C major 7. But the last stanza or the last sentence after the F major 7, it used a D minor 7. Weird, took us so long to separate. I feel it's permanent like a riptide this time. Waves crashing fast, I try. Think of the past, please stay. D minor 7. then it goes back to the pre-chorus. How could it be 20 something all alone still another thing? Same counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now the way I do the strumming on the right hand is I kind of mute it so it doesn't sound too loud. So instead of that, I mute a bit. So it does register well with the tone of the song, which is a little slower instead of real loud strumming. Oh, you can do that, I guess, when you're on a bigger crowd or you have more people singing to be heard, but I think it sounds much better with the song to mute it a bit at near the end. SZA, I think, is using I think it's 2 full notes higher in key as a female as well. But you can always move your capo if you have a higher key, or move up the head, or remove it altogether if you have a lower key. So it's really up to you, but you can just use the same form of a C major 7 and an F major 7. So just continue to practice. You can lower, you can keep repeating this video to see the timing. It's the way, I mean, especially the way you strum on the right, where I'm just doing it using the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's all down, 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 down. So I hope that helped, and see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.